This is a laser ranging alarm system. This is the top device monitoring software.
And here is the matching lithium battery. This is the laser ranging sensor, and this is the wireless LoRa module for LoRa transmission. These are the project match RFID and card reader.
This is the project matched tri-color alarm light and relay output switch for alarms. This is the matching battery case. This is the laser ranging probe, while the battery compartment mainly houses the LoRa ranging module and its matching lithium battery. There are a total of 14 battery compartments.